After composing carpets, a carpet schedule will be automatically inserted if there wasn't one existing already. We can open the schedule properties by pushing down Ctrl and clicking the right mouse button. Here we can switch on and off the different columns, or we can modify the styles of the cells. This schedule will be assembled based on a schedule descriptor. These are all defined in external files and available in multiple languages. We will implement the Norwegian language as soon as we have all the necessary information for that. Tables can be filtered if we go over to the Filter tab. Now we will simply copy this schedule and we'll apply various filters for the copies. This table will filter by reinforcement layer. For that we'll need an additive schedule and we'll tick filter by reinforcement layer. In this drawing we only have two reinforcement layers active. We'll filter by the first one in this table and by the second one in the next. Here we can see if we would add together the two filter tables, we would get back the original one. We are able to filter by many more properties. For example, building stage. We can create a building stage by this command. Building stages are defined by closed polylines. For sake of simplicity, we'll only create two building stages. This will be our first one, and this will be the second. We can also assign names to them. Building stages can be switched on and off by going to the View Manager, and we can tick the checkboxes assigned to the stages. Disabled stages can be seen in gray color. Currently we have the same display in the plot view, but we can further develop this as needed, for example by adding an additional setting in the viewport, and that would set the building stage which the viewport will contain. If this is desired, we can make this happen relatively quickly. So here we create a schedule which we filter by building stage. For that we'll be needing additive schedule again and filtering for building section stage 1. After that we can set up stage 2 filter as well. We can also filter by additional properties, for example the position group. With this we can classify the object as we want. We can create manual building stages or really whatever. We will assign number 5 here. And now we can create a schedule which will contain only the carpets belonging to the position group 5. We need to recompose. And here we can see that the position group 5 contains the carpet marked with 3-2. So using these position groups we can really filter objects any way we want. Positioning of the carpets can be done in the settings. Right here, using a so-called positional format. We've already covered formats. We will set the usual style here, and for that we will need IA, meaning absolute layer index. That is followed by an underscore and a positional number. At the tag file name we can also refer a format, and by opening this window we have all the necessary information available to assemble the format string. Now if we'll do a recompose, we will see the usual display and the schedule. So everything we discussed here regarding these tables will work for every table in general. For example, mesh tables, reinforcement tables, and so on.